Hello students, I hope that you and your family member all are healthy at this pandemic period of corona. Okay, as you know that from tomorrow your summer vacation will be start and all the students did fantastic job in their pre-med exam. They did good job regarding the social science. Okay, and today we will discuss our summer vacation work, and for this summer vacation you have to do all the work in your separate social science notebook, which was related to your only holiday homework of summer vacation. Okay, now let's start to discuss our summer vacation work. First of all, there will be a assignment which carry 40 questions. Okay, this assignment carry 40 questions, 10 questions from the each part of your social science, economics, history, civics and geography. Okay, 10 questions from the each part. From the history, there will be the 10 question from the chapter Socialism in Europe, the Russian Revolution. Second is physical feature of India, of geography. From the civics, there will be constitution design, and in the last economics chapter, people as resources. Okay, these 40 questions based on these 4 chapters. First of all, you will read the chapter and find out the question of the 40 question. Okay, and these 40 question you will write in your summer vacation notebook of social science. Okay, and you also get project which is based on disaster management. The project you will do in your A4 size paper. Okay, in this disaster management you will define what is the meaning of disaster management and how many types of disaster there are, natural and man-made disaster, and you also write that how we manage the disaster. You have in the last you will write the techniques to manage the disaster if there is any calamity. Next, there will be third part which is based on your thinking skill. First of all, you will make a poster on the Nelson Mandela and preamble of Indian Constitution. Okay, in this poster you will get the lots of images regarding Nelson Mandela and their activities. You can draw on the A4 size pages, and you can cut the small chart and decorate the chart in the small page, not too much large. You have to prepare only small poster. You can paste this poster in your holiday homework notebook if it is possible. Okay, which is based on the Nelson Mandela activities and preamble of Indian Constitution. You will get the poster of Nelson Mandela in your civics chapter 2nd. Next is you have to do 10 mountains of the Himalayas. First of all, you will write the thinking skill and the heading of this point, and next you will write that top 10 mountain hills of the Himalaya, and then you have to locate these 10 mountain hills in the map of India. Okay, you will locate these 10 high hills in the map of India. Next is your work is family member details. Okay, first of all you will collect the details of family members. Which type of details you will collect regarding their profession. Regarding their profession, you can collect not only your nuclear family, your mama ji, your uncle, auntie, your who is in your family, they are doing any type of work. If your mother is a housewife, then you can also write the name of because he is involved in a profession of home. But this, you also categorize this profession in the economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities which help in the national income. Non-economic activities which activity did not participate in the income of the national income. And then you have to write like that. Here is the name. You can write family member detail. 1. Your father name and profession he is doing. If your father is a farmer, doctor, teacher, in any profession they are doing work, first of all you will write the profession. It is your choice to paste the pic of your father, or you can draw an image regarding the farming activities. Okay, there will be a small pic regarding your family member, and then you will write three minimum characteristics of the profession. Okay, if your father is a farmer, you also write the three characteristics of farmers. Okay, what they are doing, they grow crop and they're doing hard work in their fields. They face lots of calamities regarding if the monsoon is not proper. You can write any minimum three characteristics. You can write more than three, but there will be three minimum characteristics. Okay, thinking skill and assignment you will write in the same notebook, and you can paste the poster of Nelson Mandela in that notebook, but the project you will do in the A4 size paper. This is all your holiday homework. In the last, because of coronavirus and black fungus, don't go anywhere. Okay, take proper precaution and have a happy and healthy summer vacation and enjoy. Thank you and have a nice day.